Hi, I'm Lashon and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Hello, it's me, Lashon, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad you decided to join me here once again. Let me see. We have 1, 2, 3, 400 subscribers. I just wanted to say thank you. God bless you all. And thank you for joining me here day after day. If you're new, please like, share, comment, and click the subscribe button. And for all of you who are here every day or every week or every other day, whenever a new video pops up and you're sharing the videos, you're commenting on the videos, you're doing a lot of things that uplift me and make me feel good. And I'm so glad that there are 400 of us here now, and we come here every single day. I'm just so happy. I'm so grateful to God for each and every one of you. And I thank you because I know that we have a lot going on in our lives, and it's hard sometimes to get 5 minutes to watch a video or 10 or however long they are. But it's hard to get subscribers. Some people will come in and breeze and watch some of the video and roll out. The dedicated ones stay and support the video, watch the video, leave comments. And for all of you, I thank you all, and I'm grateful to all of you because this is tougher than I thought. YouTube is much tougher than I thought, and I appreciate you all. So thank you to the 100, 200, 300, 400 subscribers that we now have on my YouTube channel. We are doing what we have to do to make it each day, but even more than that, we're living our best life. So I thank you all. I'm grateful for each and every one of you. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon.